Hi everyone, welcome back to Rondell Designs, and if it's your first time here, welcome. So I am currently doing a series of 9 videos which is all about how to turn your hobby into a business. We're up to module 7 in the series, and today is all about how to link up all your socials to your website, to everything, so when your customers are looking to shop with you, they know where to go. If you've got any questions, pop them down in the comments. If you'd like to see the other videos in this series of 9, remembering this used to be a paid course, so it's great value, all for free. Look in my channel under the playlist of Turn Your Hobby into a Business in 30 Days. Thanks for watching and enjoy. So what we want you to do is you've set up all your socials. So you've got like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, maybe TikTok, maybe Snapchat, who knows. What I want you to do now is add a link to where people can find your product in all of those platforms, particularly important on the ones where you're going to be posting the most. Like with Instagram, if you're going to be doing photos of work in progresses or finished products, or if you're having sales, or Instagram's so good for brand awareness, and you can just do reels now, which is super popular because they're trying to compete with TikTok. So videos in reels are getting huge organic engagement. You can find so many more customers through that. So think about how you could maybe do some like behind the scenes, in the making, that type of thing. But anyway, I'm getting off track. So basically all I want you to do for this module is link everything. So in the description for module 7, I have added a screenshot and a link to a website called Linktree. Now, Linktree is fantastic because it basically takes you to the Linktree website where you have got links to all your things. So if you have a look in the description of module 7, my Linktree, actually I'll just show you. Okay, so here is my Linktree. So you basically set it up and then you can log in and you can update all of this stuff. You can see this gives you a little visual of what it looks like on the phone when people click on your Linktree link. Usually that happens on Instagram or TikTok or wherever. And then here over this side is where you can add new links, edit existing ones, remove them. So my links that I have got at the moment are I did have this hobby to business in 30 days. I've just deleted that as I was making this module. I've got my YouTube channel at the top. So because my YouTube channel is what I'm really focusing on this year to grow. So I want people to, that's their first point of call, even over buying my products, which seems crazy, I know, but my goal is to actually monetize my YouTube channel, which means you need a certain amount of subscribers and views and all that sort of thing. Anyway, that's another story for another day. So that I've got my printables Etsy shop, because again, I'm trying to lead people more to digital products so I don't have to physically make them. My website, my TikTok, and my other online course, which is Intro to Mixed Media Art. So they're the links that I've got. You can add, remove, change links. You can change what they're called. So what the little, what it says on the button, you can change what that says. And it's just really easy. Some people prefer just to set up kind of like a Linktree page on their own website so that people aren't going to a third party platform like Linktree. They're actually going through to the person's website. But I just, it's super easy. Linktree is super easy. You've got analytics in there so you can see how many people are clicking through your links and all that jazz. And it's just an easy way to have several options for people to click on, but where you're only allowed to put one web address. So you can do a Linktree type address, or you can just have people just go straight to your website. Or if you're promoting a special product for the week, you could change your website link on your socials to that specific product promotion, but you always just need to make a note in your diary to change it back to your normal links when you finish that promotion. Or some people, I notice, like if they're doing a competition, they'll have their link in their profile on all their socials to that competition page, and then of course once the competition's finished, it goes back to normal, just their website or their link tree. So that's all you need to do for module 7, is get it all linked up. If you're still working on setting up your website and everything, get that done first. That's priority, and then you can set up your links. And remember all of your socials. So if you've set up a Pinterest page, Pinterest surprisingly gets a lot of traffic. And I also want you to consider sharing some products from your website once you've set it up to Pinterest. So create a Pinterest board, my artwork or my handmade products or my wheat bags or whatever, and start tagging either from your Etsy shop or your website with that beautiful image so that people can click on that and they get taken to where they can buy the product. They might not buy the product, but at least it's out there, isn't it? It's one more opportunity for someone to buy your product and to see it. So that, guys, is module 7. Please let me know if you've got any questions at all. Always try and get back to you ASAP. And I will see you in module 8.